Hello everyone, welcome back to another LEGOxuan video. As you can see, I have my Halloween sig fig outfit on because of the spooky month of October. But welcome to my first, proper video back to the channel. Today we just have something a little exciting. You guys might find some enjoyment out of watching it. But it is a parts unboxing. I bought a bunch of parts off of eBay this time. And we're going to take a look at what they are. I can never remember what I ordered, but I know they are all for upcoming customs. So I'll leave you a little hint on what the customs I'm going to be working on at the end of this video as we go through the items. So here's a little behind the scenes. I'm going to go to my Lego drawer, or one of them at least, which has all my sort of old packaging instructions in, collectible stuff. And here are some of the packages. So let's unbox these, shall we? So it's really not that many packages. We only have 4, but let's go through them because we'll go through them quite quickly. So here's the tiniest package. I'll just have a look what's inside. Oh, there's multiple parts in here. Oh, that's fabulous. I had no idea that I did that, but here you go. It's a blonde hairpiece, a grey, a black, and a brown. They're the Anakin hairpiece, which is, yeah, it's just in 4 different colors. I remember you could buy them in a set now on eBay, and it was a really good deal. Second part, here we go. Let's rip this open. Shouldn't break the Lego, should I? Anything coming out? Oh, it's 2 hair pieces. Okay, so it is 2 lots of the spiky brown hair piece. I remember it was cheaper to buy it in 2 from this seller than 1, so I just thought, why not get 1 for the part, custom, and 1 for a spare. So another nice item is the next one. Let's have a look. And is it going to be a multiple parts? Or one? I can't remember. It's 1 piece, and it is Mary's from Lord of the Rings. A really nice torso. The last package, it's the biggest. I can't even fit it in frame, but that doesn't matter because it's just a bit of, well, paper, I guess. And it is another... Oh wait, no, it's a minifigure. That's right. This is Bilbo Baggins, and I got a really good deal. Again, I got a really good deal on this minifigure, and it's also made me realize that there is a second minifigure in here, and that is, well, it's Frodo. So there you go. It's the duo, obviously. Well, they came in a duo. That's what I meant. They've come in a set, and I got a really good deal on both of them combined, rather than just paying, for 1 each. So this is the haul at the end. So we have Mary's torso, we've got Bilbo as the minifigure, 4 hair pieces in different colors of Anakin's hairpiece style, 2 brown spike hair pieces, and Frodo as a minifigure. So really cool haul, and I'm going to give you why I bought these specific parts. It is for custom Doctor Who minifigures. So there you go, there's your little teaser if you stay to the end, and thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, follow the Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.